In Ohio, electrical contractors and individuals performing electrical work, including industrial electricians in factories, generally need a license. The Ohio Construction Industry Licensing Board, or OSLB, issues various electrical licenses. Firstly, there's the Master Electrician License. This is required for individuals responsible for the overall supervision and execution of electrical work. Secondly, there's the Journeyman Electrician License. This is required for individuals who perform electrical work under the supervision of a master electrician. Thirdly, there's the Limited Electrical Contractor License, required for individuals who contract for and perform electrical work within specific limitations. However, certain individuals are exempt from the electrical licensing requirement. Firstly, employees of electrical contractors working under the supervision of a licensed master electrician are exempt. Secondly, individuals performing electrical work on their own property are exempt. Thirdly, individuals performing maintenance and repair on equipment they operate or own are exempt. To obtain an electrical license in Ohio, there are some requirements. Firstly, you must pass an exam administered by the OSLB. Secondly, you must complete a certain number of hours of electrical experience. Thirdly, you must submit a completed application and fees. The OSLB website provides a search tool where you can verify the license status of electricians in Ohio. Working as an electrician without a valid license in Ohio can result in fines and penalties, invalidation of permits, and suspension or revocation of any other licenses such as a general contractor license. You can find additional resources on the Ohio Construction Industry Licensing Board website, where you can get more electrical licensing information and verify license status.